As you can see, this key has a bend to it. And as a result of that, it will not work in the ignition. In this video, I'm going to show you how to straighten out the key and get it back to working. And away we go. Hey guys, it's Josh with No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So my car key is bent. Fortunately, I have a spare, and that is good to have at all times. But sometimes you don't have a spare. Sometimes you know, if you're out on the road, something bends like that, you need a fix now. So I'm going to show you how to do just a really quick fix. And let me say that this is a temporary fix. This is not a long-term solution, because if a key is bent, then it's possible that the strength of the metal has already been compromised. But all we're going to do to fix this thing, and I'll show you guys that it does work, and eventually I'm going to take this to a locksmith. I'm going to have it fixed, get the key blade itself replaced. But in a pinch, this will go. You just don't want to continue using a key after you've done this method, because again, if the metal has weakened, you run the risk of it breaking off in the door or in the tumbler for your ignition system, and that is a lot more costly of a repair than having a locksmith cut you a key. All right, so what I have first is my working key. As you can see, it's laying flat across there. So this key is not bent. But I want to take my bent key, I lay it on there. We can see a crimp on there. We can see that it is not laying flush. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it on here like this. I'm going to take my hammer. I'm going to very gently tap it until it's lying flush. And it looks to be lying pretty flush now. Maybe a couple more taps in the center area here. One way to find out if it worked. Let's go to the car. All right, it's the moment of truth. I have my once bent key. We're gonna try to take that bad boy in there. Good sound. Car comes on. Perfect. Again, guys, this is a temporary fix if you find yourself in a bind. You know, you're out and about on the town and your key somehow bends, or you just have to get to work, you don't have time. I'm going to be taking this key that I straightened out, I'm going to be taking it to a locksmith. They'll be able to cut a new blade, put it on there, and make sure that I have a new key that is strong, because again, my fear is that the structural integrity of this key has already been compromised, and I don't want to risk having it break off inside of the tumbler itself. If this video has helped you in any way, please consider leaving us a like. Subscribing to our channel helps our channel grow, and ringing the bell will give you notifications when we upload new content. As always, be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.